Hi and welcome. My name's Tolan and I'm the co-founder of Productivity Me. In this video, we're going to look at how to rename worksheets, primarily by using a keyboard combination of Alt, O, H, and R as a fast way to rename worksheets, or alternatively, you might just want to use your mouse. So if you want to examine either or both of those methods for renaming worksheets, join us in this next lesson. In order to look at how to rename worksheets, I'm going to open up this Excel file. It is a continuation of what we looked at in the last Excel file, where we have several sheets. At the end of the last video, I looked at a method of double-clicking on a sheet, and then you could change the name. Change name. You press enter, and that name change would be entered. Now, there are some rules for changing names, such as there are certain characters that you can't use. So if I were to go like this, Excel is going to get kind of angry. Maybe it won't get angry. But there are certain occasions where, say, you can't have the same name twice. So if we were to select this name, let's just change this name to, let's try to change it to awesome. Excel will tell you that that name is already taken. In any case, it's going to get really angry until we call it something else. Now, a method that I might use just to practice keyboard shortcuts is to press the Alt key. After you press the Alt key, you can press the O key. The O key is a former keyboard shortcut that is no longer relevant to the modern Excel ribbon. However, it still allows you to use keyboard shortcuts. So again, we've hit the Alt key, the O key, and then we press the letter H and R. That would rename the current worksheet to, let's say, cool. Of course, you would probably want to come up with better names than I'm doing in this case, but just for the example, you would press Alt, you would press the letter O, and then HR, and you could call this data. You could scroll over to see additional tabs, and then again, you could double click. You could say this is something like inputs, but if you wanted to use our keyboard shortcut, you would press Alt O H R, and then you would call this maybe something like version 1. All right, so we looked at two different ways to rename worksheets. First was to double click and then type something. The second was to click on the worksheet that you want to rename and then press Alt O H R, and you can rename. All right, so with that, in our next video, we'll look at how to move worksheets by using the keyboard shortcut Alt-E-M, as well as a quick, cool way that we can use using our mouse cursor. Check that out in the next video, and as always, thanks for watching.